Give your kitchen a smart new look. In today's video, check out 5 amazing home and kitchen products that will make your cooking easier, more fun, and smarter. Whether it's brewing tea or mixing pancake batter, everything just got simpler. Oil filter, stylish hooks, and a complete cookware set. It's all in today's list. Product links are given below. Don't forget to check them out. And yes, to get more awesome videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
Number 1.
Tired of tea leaves floating in every cup? Frustrated with messy, hard-to-clean teapots? Most teapots can't go from stovetop to microwave. And cleaning tiny infusers? Always a hassle. Meet the mini-size Glass Teapot Tea Kettle, made from durable, heat-resistant borosilicate glass. Stovetop, microwave, and dishwasher safe for easy use. Removable stainless steel infuser filters loose leaves perfectly. Big spout design. Hands reach in easily for quick cleaning. No more spills. The locking lid keeps water inside. Old way, messy, inconvenient, and limited brewing options. New way, clean, simple, and versatile tea making. Brew herbal, black, blooming, or fruit teas. Your choice. Perfect for family tea time or thoughtful gifting. Enjoy tea the practical, easy way. Every single day. Upgrade your tea experience. Order your Glass Teapot now.
Number 2.
Tired of towels slipping or cluttering your kitchen? Meet the HEPA Towel Hooks, your new organization essential. Imagine a spotless kitchen, towels always within easy reach. HEFA's innovative design securely holds towels. No more falling. Simply push your towel in. It grips without damage. Release with one hand, effortless, quick, and convenient. Choose your style. Vibrant colors to match any decor. Install your way. Strong self-adhesive or classic screws. Adhesive tape supports up to 2 pounds, perfect for daily use. Mount with screws for heavier towels or extra durability. Crafted from eco-friendly, premium chrome-plated materials. Elegant, modern, and built to last. No cheap plastics here. Perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, or as a thoughtful gift. Experience upgraded organization. No more towel hassles. Ready to simplify your space? Try HEPA Towel Hooks today.
Number 3.
Tired of lumpy pancake batter ruining breakfast fun? Messy bowls and endless stirring. Mornings feel rushed. Kids want to help, but cleanup is a nightmare. Wish you could make smooth batter in seconds? Introducing the Whiskware Pancake Batter Mixer. Just add ingredients, toss in the blender ball, and shake. No more lumps, just smooth, pourable batter every time. Wide opening means easy ingredient adding, no spills. The fun part? Use the spout to draw pancake shapes. Kids love shaking and creating their own breakfast art. Cleanup takes less than 30 seconds. Just shake and rinse, or pop it in the dishwasher. Done. Before, messy counters, sticky bowls, unhappy mornings. After, smooth batter, easy pouring, happy family breakfasts. Make mornings magical with Whiskware. Less mess, more fun. Ready for effortless pancakes? Try Whiskware today.
Number 4.
Tired of messy, unhealthy cooking oil? Imagine camping or cooking at home. Oil reuse made easy. Meet the 680Z stainless steel oil filter pot. Efficiently filter out food debris and impurities. Enjoy cleaner, healthier oil for every meal. 2-in-1 design. Filter, store, and reuse oil effortlessly. Perfect for bacon grease, stocks, sauces, and more. Durable 304 stainless steel ensures long-lasting use. Brushed finish adds elegance to any kitchen or campsite. Ergonomic handle, comfortable and safe to hold. Ola Cranon nozzle for smooth, precise pouring every time. Removable strainer and dishwasher safe parts. Cleanup is a breeze. Use it as a mini deep fryer or oil container. Versatile for any occasion. Great for health-conscious cooks and outdoor enthusiasts alike. Upgrade your cooking. Enjoy clean oil and less waste. Get yours today and transform your kitchen experience.
Number 5.
Tired of overflowing cabinets and messy kitchen drawers? Stacking pots and pans never seems to save enough space. Digging for the right lid? Handles always in the way? Cleaning sticky pans after dinner feels like a chore. Meet the KURATI 19 PCs, non-stick, cookware set. Handles detach in a click. Stack and save up to 70% space. No more clutter, your cabinets stay neat and organized. Non-stick surface means effortless cleanup every single time. Cook, bake, serve, or store, all with one set. Move seamlessly from stovetop to oven, even to the fridge. Before, messy cabinets, endless scrubbing, wasted time. After, tidy shelves, quick cleaning, more time for family. Enjoy even heating, secure handles, and lasting non-stick quality. Perfect for small kitchens, busy families, and home cooks. Upgrade to KURATI. Make kitchen life simpler today. Tap shop now and transform your cooking experience.
Thanks for watching. Links in the description box for each product mentioned.